Okay, this is their first time ever. Hi, Zendo. Going outside, and Mama is showing them. Hi, babies. I'm over here. Yes, they're like, good girl, Z. Yeah. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Who's this? Hi. Who's this? Is that Blitzen? This is Blitzen. Hi, Blitzy. Yeah, look at that. Right out of the box. Yay! And Vixen and Cupid and Olive and Prancer and Comet and Rudolph. Hi, Rudy. Yes, good job. Good job, everybody. See, they're right here with me now. Yeah, shaking the camera. Good girls, Easy Bee. Yeah, that's Prancer. Yeah. Who's back in there with her? Somebody's.
Olive's out discovering the planet.
Olive just went exploring on her own. What a good girl, Olive.
Yeah, look at
Yay! Camera's a little bouncy because guess what? They're jumping at my arm.
Oh, who's going way out here?
Who's over there? Oh, look at that. Is that Olive?
Olive and Blitzen.
And Blitzen.
And Cupid.
And Cupid. Yeah, go ahead and walk out there.
Look at this.
Yay!
Rudolph. Yay!
Yay! Come on, babies.
Here comes A.
Here comes Dasher. Yay! Dasher had to finish up lunch. Come here, babies. Come on, Comet. Yay! Okay.